is a windy day story. It has to do with a tornado that went across Texas. This motorist is going across the road, going down the road, and he looks up and he sees a black swirling cloud. He had just time to jump out, run to the roadside, and dive into the ditch. But the ditch was not deep enough, and the suction from the tornado picked him right up in the air and took him high, high in the sky, maybe 2 or 3 church steeples high. And round he went, and he was terrified, of course. He thought he was a dead man. And he saw a mattress going by, and he tried to grab the mattress, thinking he could use it to cushion his fall. And he was reaching for the mattress when something hit him in the head that caused a severe head injury. So naturally, he woke up a couple of days later in the hospital, and he told them the story of how he went round and round in a tornado, the only person I know of who survived the tornado. And one more thing. The rescuers said that he was wrapped in barbed wire from fencing all through the area. And they had a very difficult job taking it off of the poor man. The second thing that they said was the reason he survived was down 100 miles an hour. And he bounced off limb after limb after limb, kept slowing his fall until he rolled out on the ground. But, he was very lucky to be alive, even though he had a severe head injury. But he survived, and the only man that I know of that survived a tornado, caught head out on a Texas road. That's it.